Welcome back to iAnyGo. I know many of you sometimes don't want to go out. So how can you plant flowers and Pikmin bloom without going out? Today I will show you a super easy way to plant flowers and obtain nectar and Pikmin bloom without going out. Let's go! First, run iAnyGo and connect your phone to the computer. Just go to Spot Movement. Choose where you want to go. Set the times of your movement. Set the moving speed as 3m/s and then click Start to move. Please note that don't jump too far when using iAnyGo, because it will trigger a warning by the game and then you won't able to play the game normally. You can see now my Pikmin is moving according to the route I set. Now let's try to plant flowers. It's so beautiful. And there is nothing you need to do, just leave your phone and PC stay on. If you want to find nectar precisely, try the joystick movement. Set the speed you want and let's go. Now I'll go under this flower. Swipe down and I can get some collected nectar. Really fun. Till now, we're almost at the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will bring more useful tips to you. See you next time.